As Ugadi 2025 approaches, astrologers have shared their predictions for the Telugu New Year, offering insights into the financial prospects of various zodiac signs. Ugadi, celebrated on 30th March 2025, marks a time of new beginnings, and many look to astrology for guidance on career, relationships, and wealth. Here's a glimpse into which Rashi, zodiac signs, are expected to experience financial growth. Aries natives will see notable career advancements that lead to financial growth. After May, opportunities to improve income streams will arise, but caution in investments is crucial to avoid any potential losses. This year is ideal for focusing on long-term goals and building wealth steadily. Personal determination and hard work will play a pivotal role in turning aspirations into reality. While financial stability is achievable, patience and discipline will be key. Aries individuals should remain vigilant about overspending and prioritize saving for future endeavors. Ugadi brings a prosperous phase for Aries to strengthen their financial standing. For Taurus natives, Ugadi 2025 brings opportunities for significant wealth accumulation. Property investments are likely to yield lucrative returns, and there is a possibility of receiving an inheritance or unexpected windfall. This year promises financial stability and indulgence in a luxurious lifestyle. Taurus individuals will benefit from smart financial planning and leveraging resources wisely. Partnerships and collaborations could also open doors to new ventures. While enjoying these gains, it is important to remain prudent and avoid impulsive decisions. Ugadi marks the beginning of a promising period for Taurus, with ample opportunities to enhance their financial security. Gemini natives are set to experience breakthroughs in their careers, bringing recognition and financial rewards. This Ugadi, taking calculated risks and embracing new professional opportunities will pave the way for increased income. Gemini individuals should harness their creativity and communication skills to excel in their endeavors. Networking and building strong relationships will further contribute to financial growth. The year also calls for balancing financial aspirations with personal responsibilities to maintain harmony. Ugadi promises a period of prosperity, encouraging Geminis to focus on achieving their goals. With dedication and effort, this year holds the potential for substantial financial success. For Cancer natives, Ugadi 2025 is a year of financial stability and promising opportunities. Additional income sources may emerge, helping strengthen their financial standing. Spending on education, skill development, or self-improvement will bring long-term benefits. Cancer individuals are advised to maintain a budget and prioritize their financial goals for sustained prosperity. This year also emphasizes the importance of family and emotional well-being alongside material success. By fostering a balance between personal growth and financial ambitions, Cancerians can create a fulfilling and stable year ahead. Ugadi opens doors for Cancer natives to thrive both financially and emotionally. Leo natives are poised to see improved finances and abundant opportunities to enhance income. This Ugadi, tapping into leadership qualities and dynamic energy, will unlock new avenues for financial success. Balancing personal and professional priorities will be essential for maintaining harmony while reaping the rewards of their hard work. Investments in creative ventures or entrepreneurial pursuits could yield significant results. Leo individuals are encouraged to stay focused and persistent in achieving their financial goals. With dedication and strategic planning, Ugadi sets the stage for a prosperous year filled with growth and achievements in Leo's financial journey.